Ladies, if you love keeping your home neat and stylish, you'll adore these 10 hacks. Want to create a cozy, twinkling lamp while upcycling old jars? Here's a fun and easy way to do it. Hello to all my lovely viewers. Where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments. Take a nail or a small drill to make tiny holes in the lid of the jar. This will allow the LED string lights to pass through. Cut a plastic bottle into small flower shapes. For a more natural look, slightly heat the edges to create a soft, curved effect. Carefully insert each LED light into the center of the plastic flowers. Once you turn them on, they'll glow beautifully. Place everything inside the jar, secure the lid, and there you have it, a stunning handmade lamp. Ladies, don't throw away your old socks or tights just yet. With a little creativity, we can turn them into a fashionable and comfy accessory. Cut off the top part of the sock or tights in your preferred shape. Sew the cut edges neatly to form a small pouch. Now go ahead and try them on your feet. Thanks to the stretchy fabric, the final product will fit snugly and comfortably. In just a few minutes, you've transformed old socks into stylish, cozy foot covers. Want to create a thoughtful DIY gift using just a plastic cup? Here's how. Cut off the rim of the cup. This will be the handle for your mini basket. Fill it with small treats like chocolates, candy, or handwritten notes. Attach the cut rim as a handle using tape or glue. Add a bow or flower for a charming final touch. This makes for a lovely homemade gift. What's the best DIY gift you've ever received? Tell me in the comments. Struggling with getting your trash bag to fit perfectly? Try this effortless method. Flip the trash bag inside out and gently pull the sides apart to create an air pocket. Gently push down and place the bag into the bin, and you'll see it fit snugly without any need for adjustments. This quick trick saves you time and frustration, so you can focus on things you love. What's your favorite time-saving household hack? Let me know. Nobody likes limp green onions. Here's how to keep them fresh and crisp for days. Take a clean kitchen towel or paper towel, dampen it slightly, and wrap it around the white part of the onions. Store them in a bag or airtight container in the fridge. Simple, effective, and a money saver. Misplaced the plastic clip for your bread bag? No worries, here's a simple fix. Cut a small slit in the center of the bag opening. Thread the ends through each other and pull gently to close it securely. This keeps your bread fresh for longer without needing extra clips. Do you struggle with storing dish gloves, towels, or small kitchen items? Don't toss that water can handle just yet. Remove the sturdy plastic handle from an empty water jug. Secure it to your wall or cabinet using strong adhesive. Use it to hang kitchen essentials, keeping them dry, clean, and within reach. A simple trick that makes a big difference. Try it out and let me know what other kitchen organization hacks you love. Have you ever felt disappointed when your fresh lettuce wilts too quickly? Here's a simple yet powerful trick to keep it crisp and fresh. Gently insert a clean toothpick into the base of the lettuce stem. Store it in the refrigerator. This helps it continue absorbing water, keeping it fresh longer. Little trick, big results. If you found this useful, be sure to share it with your friends and save it for later. Tired of tangled cables cluttering your desk? Try this easy hack. Take a clean bottle cap and cut 2 small slits in an H shape. Secure the cap onto the edge of your desk with strong adhesive. Thread your charger cable through the slits to keep it in place. Do your sweaters take up too much space in your closet? Or worse, come out wrinkled when you need them? Let's fix that. Lay the sweater flat and smooth out any creases. Fold the collar and bottom hem towards the center to create a long rectangle. Fold the sleeves inward, then tuck them neatly to maintain the sweater's shape. Just like that, your sweaters are tidy and space-saving. I love sharing these easy and creative hacks with you all. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. See you next time.